Hey guys, what's up? This side Prem and you're watching my channel Digital Prem. So guys, this video is all about Google Analytics, and in this video we will understand what is Google Analytics, why do we need Google Analytics, and how to set up Google Analytics accounts, and how to analyze the report of Google Analytics. So first we understand what is Google Analytics. It is a powerful tool which is offered by Google free of cost. Any individual or business can use Google Analytics to track their website performance. Google Analytics collects data from your website, it analyzes that data, it monitors your data time to time, and it generates report about your website. Millions of businesses uses Google Analytics to track their website performance, and they find out how which all metrics are performing well, and where do they need to improve, and it monitors marketing campaign as well, so that you can achieve your marketing goal. So now do we understand why do we need Google Analytics? It is most required powerful tool which help us to track our website so that we can perform well. It obtains and analyze your customer behavior, how your customer are engaging with your website, what all are activity they are doing over your website. Yeah, so yeah, it also helps to drive traffic over your website. It also allow you to measure your website success. It allow you it allow you to make better user retention. It also help us to understand user experience, how your online content are performing. It help us to know device functionality as well, and many more things. And it will help you to get better user experience, so that you can understand your users well. It will help you to make marketing campaign. So overall I would say it is very powerful helpful tool which help you to improve your business, and it is very necessary for every business to use Google Analytics to track their website and improve their business. So now we will see how to set up Google Analytics account and how to analyze Google Analytics report. So let's go to Google, and here we will type Google Analytics. Just click it here. It will take us to their website. So now we click in their website. So here you need any Gmail ID to log in into Google Analytics account. So here we will click here my Gmail ID. So here I have to. So now I put my password to log into Google Analytics. So I just put my password. Now click on next. So it will take us to their login page. So we will see the dashboard. So once you will do login, you will see the page like this. So you have to click on start measuring. So once you will Click there, so you will see like this. You have to set up your account here, so you have to mention here your website name, app name, or whatever you want to mention your company name. So just mention here. So just for example, I just put it something, or and if we scroll down, you will see some options here. So you have to check all these options because all these options will help you to make better control over our data on Google Analytics. So just check all boxes and click on next. So here you will see property setup. So you have to set up your property, you have to set up your website, app details. So you have to mention your website name, app name. So I just put something example. Reporting time zone. So you have to select your country wherever you are. I just select India. I'm in India. So I just click here. So you have to. So you will see time here, and about currency you have to select currency according to you. I would select INR and then click on next. So yeah, here you have to set up about your business, to which industry your business is connected. So just click the option here. For example, I just clicked like hobbies and leisures. I select this option, and if you scroll down, so you will see business size, how many employees are working in your business. So you have to select according to that. I just click here this one, and if you scroll down you will see these options. So these options will help you to make more control over your data, will help you many ways. So let me see the option here. First one is measure customer engagement with my site or app. So if you want this option, just click this option. Optimize my site or app experience. If you want to optimize your site, then click on this option as well. Third one is measure data across multiple device. So you have to click that option. Optimize my advertising cost. So it will help you to make better advertising budget for your business. So you have to check it this option as well. Increase my conversion. So it will help you in conversion. So click on this option always as well. Measure content monetization. So it will help you how many ways you can monetize your content. So check it this option as well. And next, analyze my online sales. So it will analyze your online sales. Check out this option as well. Measure app installment. So it will help you how many app are installed. So it will so check it that this apps option as well. Measure lead generation. So it will help you to measure lead generation. So just click on this option. So all these options will help you many ways for your business. So I would tell you, you can check it all these options according to your business. So then click on create. Now you have to accept their term and condition. So you have to just check it this option here. You have to select your country. I would select India. So just accept it. Yeah, so I have to check it. this option as well, and then click on I accept option. So it will take us to their dashboard page. Yeah, so here we will see all option, our property. So we have to select whether we have website, app, or other things. So you can select according to your business. So I would select app, sorry, business, web, and so you have to mention your website here. Just for example, yeah. So once you will mention your website URL and your website name, then you have to create a stream. So from here, from here onwards, Google Analytics will start to collect data from your website. So I have to do one more thing. So now you can see here your stream, your website URL, your website name, ID, and if you scroll down, then you will see tagging instruction. So that means you have to tag Google Analytics code to your website so that Google Analytics can collect data from your website. So we have to click here. So it will show you their code, Google Analytics code. So you have to copy this code and you have to put it in head section of your website file. So you have to just copy this option and you have to put it in your header section of your website file. So once you will do that, it will take you their dashboard page, and where you can see overall report and everything about their website. So I have already Google Analytics account and have a website. So let's go to my website and we will analyze their report into. So now you can see I logged in my Google Analytics account where it collected my new website data. So we analyze all these data details. So here you can see report snapshot. So here you will see overall report about my website. So you can see here about user, how many users are there. You can see user trend over time, and here you will see user activity in last 30 minutes. And if you scroll down, so you will see from where your user are coming, through which medium they are coming. They are coming by referral by other website, or they are coming direct, or they are coming through Google. So you can see their graph here. If you scroll down, so you will see here about through which how many sessions they have done over your website and through which medium they have done. So you will see here, and if we come this part, so here you will see from which country your users are coming and in how many users are from each particular country, so you can see here. If you scroll down, so you will see user activity over time, how many users you acquired over time, and how their trends are going on, so you can see here. And here you will see week wise week user data retention over time, so you can see here. If we scroll down, so you will see here each particular page activity, how many views you have done over each pages of your website. And this side you will see event count, what all activity user have done and how many times, so you can see here page views, user engagement, scrolls, session start, first click, so you will see all these options here. And if you scroll down, so you will see the conversion. If you run any ad campaign over Facebook, Google, so on any other site, so you will see event name, all those activity user will do over your ad, so you will see here event name. And conversion, how many time you converted. And if you are running an e-commerce site, so if user will purchase any item, so you will see item detail here and purchase detail here. And here you will see platform on where you will run your ad campaign, so it will show here their data. Let's upon to the real time part. So here you will see user in last 30 minutes, how many users are active over your website in last 30 minutes, so you can see here. And if you scroll down, you will see from which sources your user are coming, so you will see here my website are new, so I'm not getting enough data. And here you will see the audience, and here you will see the pages of your website where users are engaging and how many views you are getting, so you will see here. And all the activity you will see here in event count by event name, you will see here if they visit your page, if they any activity over your website page, so you will see here by event count, event name. If you run any ad campaign, so you will see their conversion event name, how you get conversion, which all activity they have done to convert into sale, so you will see here. Here you will see user property. So if we come to the acquisition part, so now we will come to acquisition part. We will see acquisition overview. So here we will see our user experience, how do we acquire user here, what all activity they are doing. So we will see over here their trends. So you can see here user trends, new users over time. You can see user activity, user trends over time, how many user you acquired over time, you can see here any particular day. And here you can see 28 days report. And if we scroll down, so here you can see how many users we acquired through which medium. You can see each particular medium and how many users you acquired, you can see in front of them. And if we see here, so you will see how many time, how many sessions they have spent via website and through which medium they have done, so you will see here. And if you run any campaign, to a campaign session, you will see here, you will see how many times, what all activity you have done there over their product ad, so you will see here those things. If we come down, so here you will see total value, how many users you acquired, overall. My website is new, so it's not showing here now. And if we come down to user acquisition, it will tell you how do we acquire our user. So you can see here it's not showing much data here. So you can see here new users and how many users we acquired through which medium. Through organic social we got 56, direct 12, organic search through Google we got 4. So it's a brand new website, so it's getting to start data. So you can see here trends over time, how many users and through which medium we got all those users. So you can see here, and here you can see all those mediums through which we acquired all these users. So you can see it is showing new users 72, and through organic social medium we got 56, through direct 12, through organic search it's showing 4. Engaged session, how many times they engaged over our website, so it's showing here total 124 engaged session. And for each particular medium, how many sessions they have done, you can see here in front of each one. And here is engagement rate, engagement session per session. So if we come to traffic acquisition, it will show you overall traffic, how much traffic you are getting over time and from where you are getting traffic. So it will show you there. So it will show you users by session, how many times they have spent your website. So you can see user session activity over time, and here you will see session, how many sessions they have done, how many times they have done, you can see here. And here you will see session channels, through which channels they are coming. You can see through organic search they are coming 29 users, direct 9, and how many sessions they have done through which particular session channel, you can see here. And if we come to the engagement part, now come to the engagement part. Here you can see how much time users spend on your website. So here you can see average engagement time, how they engaged over per session. You can see how much time they have spent, and you can see over active your user activity and engagement time over. So you can see the trends here. And if we scroll down, so here you can see total views over your website and total event count, how many times, how or what all activity they have doing. So here you can see total event count. And if you come to this side, you can see event name, what all activity they have done over your website. So you can see here, and how many times they have done. So you can see in front of each activity, like page view they have done 7 to 3 times, user engagement they have done 6 for 1 time, scrolling they have done 169. So you can see all event or activity here and how many times they have done, you can see here. If we scroll down, you can see all pages of your website they have engaged, they have seen how many times. You can see in front of each pages how many times they have view your website, so you can see here. And if you see this side, you can see user activity over time. How do you acquire users? You can see user activity this side. If you scroll down, you can see your daily activity by monthly activity, how you acquire your user, how they are spending time over your website, daily by monthly. So you can see here user stickiness this side. Then if you come down to event part, so here you will see all event, all activity they have done by name over time. So you can see trend here, whether they have seen your website pages, they have clicked somewhere, they have scrolled somewhere. So whatever activity they have done, you can see here with name. And here you will see how many users have done particular event. So you can see here total user for each particular event this side. And if we scroll down, you can see all activity, all event name, and total activity and event they have done. And you can see each activity and uh, views against them. Yes, you can see in front of event count, total usage, how you acquired, and event count per user, total revenue if you're earning through your product, service, or through ad. If you're earning revenue, so you will see here. And if we come to the conversion part, if you are running any ad for any product or service, or so you will see here in conversion part. So here you can see conversion by event name over time. So if you are running any ad for any product or services, so here you will see all activity user will do over your product page or service page. So here you will see this website is new, so I'm not running any ad campaign, so that's why it's not getting more data. So but if you run ad, so here you will see all event of your ad of your product and their conversion. Here you will see total user by event name, what all activity they are doing over your product page or service page. So here you will see total user, how many users you acquire over time. And if you come down, here you will see event name, what all events they do over your product or service, and how many conversion you have done. You will see here how many sale you got, how many time they have convert. You will see here how many users you got. You will see here. And if we see event revenue, so you will see here through each particular product how much revenue generated. You will see here. If we scroll down now, we go to pages and screen. So now we can see pages and screen, how many views we got through each pages. So you can see here all pages name and how many views you got for each particular page. You can see here. And if we see this side, you got users for each particular page, how many users you acquired over time for each particular page. You can see here with page title. And if you scroll down, so you will see all page title of your website and views, how many views you got for each particular page. You can see here total views, total users, and how many users you acquired for each particular page. You can see here new users, you can see 72 views per user, how many views you got. You can see here. If you come to the monetization part, so let's see here. If we click on the monetization overview, yeah, so here you will, here you can see It will show you how many revenue you generated through your product, service, or through ad. And if you are running any e-commerce website, so it will show you e-commerce revenue here. And if you have published any website over any ad over your website from any private network, so it will show here total ad revenue. And here it will show total purchases. And for first time purchaser, for first time user who have purchased from your site, so it will show here. If you scroll down, you can see here average purchase revenue per user. And if we see this side, so e-commerce purchase by item name, so it will show you all product which they have purchased from your website. So it will show here item name, e-commerce purchases. I don't have enough data because I'm not selling any product or services. So if you are doing, so it will show data here like this. E-commerce purchases by item name list, so it will show you all product item details. So you can see here like e-commerce purchases. If they do, so you will see the all product list. And if you come here, you will see item list by item promotion. And here you will see your e-commerce revenue by order coupon. If you order any coupon, offer any coupon, so you will see here all details. And if you scroll down, so you will see what's your revenue from app purchases. Yeah, if you sell anything over your app, so you can see the details here, your digital product or any other things. You will see your product ID, product revenue, how much revenue you have generated through that product. And if we see here publisher ad impression, if you allow to publish ad over your website, so you here you will see the ad details, impression, publisher detail, ad unit, how many ads are running. So you will see all these details here. So if we scroll down, and so in e-commerce purchases, you will see all details about e-commerce purchases. So you can just click here. As I told you, if you are selling and if you are running any e-commerce website and if you are selling products, so you will see what all product are sold. So you will see detail here. So as you can see, item views by item name. So how many views you got for a particular product, you will see here. And how many product they add in their bucket to purchase, you will see here. So if you scroll down here, you will see item name, item views, how many views you got for a particular product. So now we come to the in-app purchases. If you sell anything over your app, any digital product or anything, so you will see in your in-app purchases all item details, how many views they have done over your product, how many times they have purchased. So you will see all those details over in-app purchases. So here you can see quantity, how many quantity they have bought by product ID over time. So you will see those data here, but I'm not running any app. I'm not selling for I'm not selling any product or any app, so it's not showing data here. But if you're selling anything over your app, so it will show data here. And here you will see product revenue, how much revenue you are generating through your product. So you will see here that data. Here you will see product ID, your product ID. Here quantity, how many quantity you sold out, how much revenue you are generating through product. Average product revenue you will see here. And if we come to the publisher ad, So in publisher ad you will see if you join any ad network and if you allow to run any ad over your website. So here you will see those data about ad unit, how many ads they are running over pages, how many impressions they are showing. So it will all will show here, and here you will get those data. You will see graph trends. So if we if we scroll down, so here you will see ad unit, how many units on a particular page in one time, and publish ad impression, ad unit, and how many clicks on ads, and how much you are getting through that ad. So you will see here all these details. And if you come to retention part, here it will show you graph trends, how you are retaining customer over time. Yeah, so here you can see new user 72 and returning user who are coming back to my website. So you can see here two users are returning back. So here you can see the trends over time of user are coming back over your website. So if you scroll down here you can see user is retention graph engagement. Here you will see all those details, user retention trends. It's going up and down over time. So you can see here user retention, and here is your user engagement over time. And here it will show lifetime value. Here it will show you lifetime value about your user retention. And if we go to the demographic part of users, so it so if we talk about a demographic part, so here you can see it will show you your all users data from where they belong, from which country they belong. So you can see here for each particular users country and how many users you acquired from each particular country, you can see in front of them. And here you can see like user activity last 30 minutes. And if we come down you can see from which town your users belong, so you can see here, and how many users you acquire for a particular town, so you can see all details here. And if we come to this side here, we will show you your gender, your user gender, and here it will show you their interest. And it become and it will, if it scroll down, so here you can see age, their age, what age they have, so it will show that data here. And if you come this side, so here it will show you like their language, which language they speak. So here you can see 39 users speak English, and I have one user who speaks Chinese, and I have one user who speaks French. So here it will show you language, what language your user speaks, so you will see here. So it was, yeah, so that's all in this video. So how did you like? So if you like this video, so don't forget to like, share, comment or subscribe. So let's meet in next video. Bye bye.